Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install OWASP on VirtualBox. In search engine, search for OWASP download. Then press enter. Then scroll down. Click on this link, that is OWASP Broken Web Applications project from the SourceForge website. See, this is the link, sourceforge.net projects, then OWASP BWA. See the full form here, Open Web Application Security Project, Broken Web Applications Project. It is a collection of vulnerable web applications that is distributed in a virtual machine. Click on download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. Its size is 1.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this download because I have already downloaded the OWASP. Click on show in folder or go to downloads. Copy this one, then C drive, then create a new directory, OWASP. Paste that here. Cut this one, paste in another directory. We have to extract this one. Right click and open with WinRAR. Now click on this extract to. Click on OK. See, it is going to extract here. It is the virtual machine and version is 1.2. See, extraction has been completed successfully. Now open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed Oracle VirtualBox, then go through the link provided in the video description and download VirtualBox and install it. Click on new, then provide name as OWASP Broken Application. Type is Linux, version is other Linux 64-bit. Provide memory size as 2 gigabytes. Then hard disk, see here, you have to select use an existing virtual hard disk. Browse, then click on this add button to add the downloaded or extracted one. I have downloaded and extracted it to my PC, C drive. Then OWASP. Select the first one, that is OWASP Broken Web Apps D1. Then click on open. Choose it, then click on create. We have added. Go to settings, then network. Then here I am changing network to NAT network. In your case, change either NAT network or bridge adapter. If you have any issues with network, then go through the link where we have configured for the network. If you have any issues, go through this video, then go through this video. In this video, I have shown you at 3.3 how to configure networking between two virtual machines. Okay, then NAT network, then I have selected the name, then click on OK. Now click on start. See, it has successfully loaded. So notice here, username is root and password is OWASP BWA. Root and password is OWASP BWA. We have connected with root user. Let's verify IP of this machine. IF config. See, IP is 192.168.1.6. Let's connect to Kali Linux. If you haven't installed Kali Linux, then check my channel and see how to download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Ping 192.168.1.6. This is the IP of OWASP virtual machine. See, we are able to ping. Now open Firefox, then type 192.168.1.6. See, we have bunch of applications to check the vulnerability checks. First one is the training applications. This is realistic, intentionally vulnerable applications, and this is the old one. Okay, this is the applications for the testing tools. Okay, welcome to here. We have different options to perform the vulnerability tests. So in this video we have seen how to download and install OWASP on VirtualBox. Then we have seen how to connect this vulnerability applications from Kali Linux. There we can perform the n number of operations. For more ethical hacking or cyber security or Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.